channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing makeup therapy. I used this palette before in one of my older videos. I actually really like this eye look that I did a while back, so I thought I would just recreate it. Before we start, make sure that you hit the subscribe button before you go. Make sure to follow me on my socials. I'm mostly on TikTok. Let's just get started with this makeup therapy. Doing a little bit of ASMR. I just thought it would be fun since this is makeup therapy. I thought I would just whisper into the camera or into the mic. Okay, so I'm doing this TikTok trend for the fox eye, and basically you just kind of put the eyelash a little bit above where you usually put it. You see it looks kind of crazy, but then you just take some black liquid liner and you just swipe it where the gap is in between your eye and the eyelash, the eyelid and the eyelash. And once you fill it in, you can't even tell that your eyelashes are angled like that because the liner covers the gap. I really like this look because my eyes are pretty small, so I can never really maintain long lashes. I always have to cut them for them to fit my eye, but with this trick I get the fox eye effect and I can wear big lashes and it fits on my eye this way, and I really like the way it came out. So thanks TikTok.
On the track.
So much for watching this video. Please subscribe before you go. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, because giving it a thumbs up does help the content circulate on YouTube. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.
Make sure you follow me on my socials before you go, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!